welcome back. It's me, Karen, and I see you're becoming quite the college chef and having dinner parties. So today, for lunch, we are going to have corn dogs. All right, and of course you can't have corn dogs without your cheap yellow mustard. So we got our mustard, and we're going to use our air fryer. And I already put aluminum foil inside because we're going to use our air fryer again today. We want to keep it clean. You don't need anything fancy for tinfoil or aluminum, wherever you come from. People say it differently, both the same thing. Anyways, store brand is just fine. You don't need heavy duty or anything like that. All right. These corn dogs are just so happens to be the brand that we picked up. Doesn't have to be this brand. If you want to choose a different brand that you like better, fine. Stay in your budget, of course. And of course you're going to need room in your freezer to store these, okay? Your freezer might not be very big in that little mini fridge, so think about that before you do this. How are you going to store these? You might have to buy a smaller package that might cost a little more, but at least it'll store better. It's up to you what you want to do. Stay in your budget, spend a little bit more. It's up to you. You make that choice. All right, this is Foster Farms, and they are not sponsoring me. I bought these on my own. About 4 of these little corn dogs is 19 grams of carbohydrates, okay? They have an air fryer instruction on the back, a microwave oven, which my son also has, and the conventional oven. If you choose to do the conventional oven, it will be located usually on the first floor. It will have, of your dorm, will have the biggest kitchen area. Each floor after that will have like a small kitchenette. Just make sure it's clean and working properly, and that you have access to a pan to put it on. All right, so we are going to do 360 degrees, and doesn't really give about 8 minutes, I guess. Doesn't really say. All right, so see if you can see that. All right, and that, there you go. And let's get cooking. Okay, so here we have our Elite Gourmet tiny air fryer, and let me tell you, it is tiny. We are going to put the temperature as close to 360 as we can. It says 355, and the next number up is 390, so we're gonna have to kind of guess at that. You want to do the honors? I'm guessing. Your eyes are better than mine. All right. And we're going to take the tray out, and we're going to figure out how many. A serving is 4, but I have a feeling you're going to want more than 4. Move things around. It's okay. Okay, good. So make sure you have enough room to work here. Yeah, those are pretty tiny. Show them in your hand how tiny those are. They're like the size of a chicken nugget. Yeah. So I'm gonna guess you want 8?
Yeah. About 8. Yeah.
Okay. Space them out pretty good because the heat has to circulate. An air fryer is basically an oven with a fan, and it swirls the air around. All right, and it says to do it for how many minutes? 9? All right, can't remember. Over here.
That's just 8 minutes.
8, okay. So on this one, we'll have a 5-minute mark and a 10-minute mark. Actually, I think it's just 10 minutes. It may have washed away. Worn away. Alrighty, we'll check back in about 8 minutes, and since he's having 8 of them, you do the math. 19 times 2 is
38.
38. 38 carbs. Mustard is 0 carbs. Alright. Go ahead, I want to open it up real quick and like kind of jostle them. We're checking on them halfway through. We're going to shake them up a little bit just to make sure they're cooking. They look pretty good. Now, our favorite thing to serve with corn dogs is mustard. And you don't have to spend a lot of money on mustard. You can buy a big bottle of it and store it in your fridge. That's up to you because it will take up space. Or you can go to like a restaurant supply store. Like I said, we have Gordon's Food Service down the road from us that we could go to and buy condiment packages. It'll probably come in a box with like mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. And you probably have to buy something like 600, I don't know, ridiculous amount. And so you could do that, but they don't have to be refrigerated. You just have to have a place in your dorm room to store something like that. All right, we still have about 3 minutes left. Alrighty, it just dinged, so we're gonna open the drawer of the air fryer. Oh, good. We're gonna take our little handy dandy thermometer. All right, what is it saying?
235.
235. Good. Nice and hot. I can smell that they're done because they smell really good. All right, let's get them on your plate and we'll bust one open and we'll show everybody what they look like. Are they really hot?
Yeah, we're pretty hot.
Do you need something to help you out? All right, so there you have it. That is our corn dogs and our mustard, and I can't wait to eat them. They smell great. Alrighty, stick with us. You can have French fries. You can do in your air fryer with these. You can have something like a bag of chips if you're on the go and grabbing and going, that sort of thing. Granola bar, some yogurt or something. You don't have to have just chicken nuggets. All right, we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.